So where we're going to be meeting our friends is a spot called Miner's Path. It's a nice little walk. I wouldn't go as far as calling it a hike, but it is a nice little walk. Nice, well-maintained trail. And at the very end, there's a really beautiful pool with a waterfall. So it's a really cool sight. Definitely excited to show that to you folks. Our friends that we're meeting with are named Tess and Michael, and I believe they're bringing their 2 kids as well too. So that'll be a nice little walk for the kids as well too, and I'm sure they'll be quite overjoyed to see the waterfall at the end. I know I would have been excited to see that. I mean, I'm excited to see that as an adult, so I would have been excited to see that as a kid as well. Okay, we're at the staging point for Miner's Path. So a cool little setup they have. They've got a spray park over there for kids. They've got a couple of tennis courts, lots of picnic tables. And over here, they've got the biggest piggy bank in the world. Proceeds for community work. Coleman Lions. This is called 10-ton toots, known to miners as a dinky. From 1904 to 1954, toots hauled 5 million tons of coal to daylight over 180,000 miles of underground tracks. He invites your inspection and contribution. I wonder if the face was done before or after retirement. I'd venture to say after, but I could be wrong on that. And then we've got a lovely memorial stone over here in recognition of the generous support of Roy and Julia Whitehouse, Coleman Lions Club, Flumerfelt Park. That's a beautiful, that is a ginormous stone. Coleman Centennial. After the shift, Miner's Path. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's busy here at all, so we might have the place to ourselves for the most part. I only see a couple of other vehicles. So if I remember the story correctly for this place, hence the name Miner's Path, I think this used to be like a commute, like walking path that a lot of the miners would take to get to work. Beautiful, beautiful path. We did walk it last year in our attempt at doing a CNP series, but due to how brain foggy and like diabetic brain I was, I barely remember any of it. So I'm really excited to actually go down at this time with a fresh mind, with Rita, with friends, and just actually enjoy it and savor the memories and actually remember it this time. Okay, we got the whole crew together. Everybody's here. Let's do this Miner's Path walk. Yeah, I figured this would be a good one for the kids. And I mean, there's a waterfall at the end, so incentive. Yeah, it's a little shorter. Don't complain. Tess, I think this is the first time you've appeared in a video. Maybe. I think so.
I keep commenting.
Yeah, you keep commenting, which we appreciate. But I think this is the first time you've actually appeared in one. Yeah. Welcome.
Okay, so you gotta stay there. You don't move back any farther, okay?
It's not too far.
Perfect. Lovely. Big smile. With Merle, yes. Perfect. Perfect. All right, come on back. I'll give you a hand down, okay?
Is that a big rock, buddy?
Yeah. Yeah, it just looks like Gerald's rock.
Gerald's rock, that's right.
At least all the trees and that hill act as a good wind block.
Yes. Thank you.
This place is like a beautiful enchanted forest. I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to the people.
All the lovely people in your tiny little machine box.
Just remember what Rita said about all you folks. I love you folks. I don't know about her though.
Cheese. Hey, big guy.
Oh, that's cute.
and we all stop and take pictures.
Here, I'll get across. Oh no, we're not going up there, are we?
No, that kind of leads, I mean,
Oh, that, yeah, okay.
I mean that's part of the path, but it just goes in, not to the waterfall.
Oh, and that goes in.
You got to purchase the DLC content to go up there.
He's like singing this song.
Whole bunch of fallen trees and pieces of wood that look like a risky man's bridge. That one's more like a tightrope walker's bridge. Please close gate. They say there's a story behind every sign.
Well, this is private property at this point.
At some point, someone forgot to close the gate. And it saddened the locals.
Hey, Tommy! I heard Daddy.
Oh, big step.
Wow, it goes on down here.
Oh yeah. Just wait till we get to the end. It's really cool.
You can up now.
Oh, that's a big log.
Yeah, and then there's a hole right here.
It's like a water slide for dogs.
Yeah. And kitties.
Whoa.
And
Yeah.
And the mesh is slide.
Wow.
It's so dark down there.
Normal probably doesn't like water, eh?
Well,
No? I didn't think so. Well, looks like we got more twisty steps up ahead.
yeah. We have to step on those. Let's just go here.
See someone's dog. Oh, I can see the waterfall. Here, Luke, let's wait for Mom and Dad, okay?
Yeah.
There's Mommy.
Where's that go?
Yeah, he's leading the pack.
That's why I think we keep going hiking and stuff, so
Yeah.
we go for it.
That's coming.
Oh look, I can kind of see the waterfall.
Yeah. I figured this would be a good one for the kids. It's a pretty chill walk for all skill levels.
Yeah, I feel like they're not really at the 5K mark yet, but stairs over here.
Hey, Tommy.
Go follow girl. We got a couple doodle pipes running around here.
Here we go. Oh, there's a dog. Hey, do you guys want us to take a picture of you guys in front of the falls?
Oh, that's okay. We just got it.
Oh, cool. Okay.
You guys know.
I think we're good. We're documenting the whole thing on video. So,
Nice.
so Rita, what's one of the contingencies we came up with for this trip?
If you're planning on putting the camera underwater, at least switch the card so we don't lose all the footage on it.
To the water card.
To the water.
That's using your noodle. These will be good memories for later. I got my hand here if you need it.
Okay.
Since last year's fiasco, not knowing I'm diabetic, with all the fragmented and broken memories, feeling like garbage last year, this particular walk, going down this beautiful trail and getting to this waterfall was something I was really anxious to do again. I don't remember much from last year due to the medical issues. However, this year we got to go out with friends and make new memories. Good walk, good weather, good soak under a waterfall. Tess and Michael got to make some great memories with their kids. Rita and I got to relive this experience again. And best of all, for myself, I remember everything. And the memories this time around are mine to keep. See y'all in the next video, folks.